Welcome guys. Today I will discuss about calculus integration, some question in MCQ pattern. Okay, is briefly solved. After the first question, okay, first question, the singularities of the integral dx by x into x minus 1. So x minus 1, that means 1, and this one by this one minus this one by this one, and after that separate these two, and d of x minus 1 means dx, because d of 1 is constant, so d of 1 obviously 0. After that dx by x pattern, that means log x minus 1, and this one dx by x, that means log x. Okay, and for x equal to 0, just put here 0. In the x equal to 0, just put here these two. Log minus 1 minus log 0. Log 0 is undefined, so this total will be undefined, and when x, and put x equal to 1, this one in this one, so log 0 minus log 1, and log 0 is undefined, so same reason its total will be undefined. Okay, so the singularities of the integral are 0, 1. That means for x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, this integral does not exist. So 0, 1 is the singularities. So option A. And next question, the value of gamma half is root pi. I already discussed it in my previous video of beta function. And next question, the value of gamma m into gamma 1 minus m is pi by sine m pi. It's just a formula. Okay, remind it. The value of beta half comma half is gamma half into gamma half by gamma half plus half, because beta m comma n formula is gamma m into gamma n by gamma m plus n. After that gamma half whole square and half plus half, that means 1. Gamma 1 means 1, and the value of gamma half is root pi. See here, so put here root pi whole square equal to pi. Option B. The value of next question, the value of integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into x to the power 3 by 2 dx is gamma 5 by 2, because formula is integration of 0 to infinity x to the power n minus 1 e to the power minus s dx equal to gamma n. So here n minus 1 means 3 by 2. Just calculate n minus 1 equal to 3 by 2. That means n equal to 5 by 2. So put gamma n. That means gamma 5 by 2. And gamma 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 minus 1. That means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into gamma 3 by 2. And gamma 3 by 2 means, just put this one 3 by 2 here, into gamma 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 minus 1, that means half. So half into gamma half, and the value of gamma half is root pi. So just put here root pi, and 2 into 2 4, and 3 into 1 3, so 3 into root pi by 4. Option number A. The value of gamma 6 is 5 factorial, because formula is gamma n equal to n minus 1 factorial. Okay, I already uploaded gamma and beta function, you can watch in my channel. For n greater than 0, that means for the positive values of n, this formula exists. Okay, so gamma 6 equal to 6 minus 1 factorial 120. In organizer, this option is wrong. Okay, 1.7. Next question, the improper integration of 0 to 1 dx by x minus a to the power n. Converse means exist. Okay, so exist for which values? Okay, so x minus a to the power minus n, and just integrate it, this one, and just put the limit. That means for 1, this one, for upper limit minus for lower limit 0. Okay, so first option, n less than 1 it exists. For n less than 1 exist, and n greater than 1 it's exist. Okay, for n equal to 1 it's not exist, because 1 minus 1 0, that means infinity, and 1 minus 1 0, that means 1 by 0, that means infinity. So it does not exist. Okay, so option this one in option A and this one in option B. So correct option is these two case. So option will be A and C both. It's option A and it's option C. So correct answer are options A and C, but in organizer option are wrong. Okay, next question. 1 by 3 gamma 1 by 3 into gamma 2 by 3. Let n equal to 2 by 3. Okay, our formula is gamma n into gamma 1 minus n equal to pi by sine n pi. Okay, just see here, this is our formula. Okay, I already discussed. Okay, so 2 by 3 and 1 minus n, 2 by 3. So 1 minus 2 by 3 means 1 by 3. So we get this one equal to pi by sine n pi. N means 2 by 3, 2 by 3 pi. Sine 2 by 3, sine 2 by 3 equal to root 3 by 2. So just put here root 3 by 2, that means 2 by root 3 into pi. So answer this, option A. After that, after next question. Okay, next question, integration of minus infinity to infinity x into e to the power minus x square dx. What is the value of this one? It's an odd function, because fx means this one, and f minus of x means, just put here minus x means minus x, and minus s so square, so it does not matter, minus x square. So here fx equal to minus f of minus x, because just minus f of minus x means what? Plus x e to the power minus x square. So f of x is equal to minus f of minus x. If f of x is equal to minus f of minus x, then it's an odd function. Okay, but when f of x is equal to f of minus x, that means plus f of minus x, then it's even function. For what odd function, the value of this integral is 0, option B. Next question, gamma half into gamma 5 by 2. Gamma 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2, gamma 3 by 2. 3 by 2 just here, and 3 by 2 minus 1, that means half, into gamma half, that means 3 by 4, gamma half means root pi. Just put the all values, and gamma half means root pi. Okay, so answer will be 3 by 4 pi, option C. If n is a positive integer, then n plus 1, gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial, option C. It's a formula just. The integral integration of a to infinity dx by x to the power mu when a greater than 0 exists for which values? Okay, so just integrate this part, just put the limit here, and see that when is bracket minus mu plus 1. Okay, for mu less than 1 it's not exist. Okay, for mu less than 1, because mu less than 1 means what? Mu less than 1 means infinity to the power something, that means it's not exist. And mu equal to 1 is not exist, because 1 minus 1 plus 1 infinity, minus 1 plus 1 infinity. But for mu greater than 1 it exists, because greater than 1 means what? Infinity to the power negative something. Okay, that means 1 by infinity, that means 0, and a greater than 0, so it's have a value, so it's exist. Okay, and option number A, option number B, and option number C, option number D for all value of mu. But for all values of mu it does not exist. It does not exist because for mu less than 1 and mu equal to 1 it's not exist. So option will be option number A. Okay, for only for mu greater than 1 it exists. Next question. The value of the integral this one does not exist because minus 1 greater than 0 greater than 1 for x equal to 0 in this interval x equal to 0 it does not exist because 1 by 0 square, that means infinity. Okay, it does not exist. Okay, the value of gamma 5 by 2 by gamma 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 because it's the calculation. Gamma 5 by 2 means I already discussed. Okay, the value of this one is equal to, just use this formula, m comma n, gamma n by gamma m plus n. M plus n means 9 by 2, just calculation. Okay, after that 1 factorial means 1. Last question. 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square dx, let x square equal to t, and after that because we need here x to the power 1. Okay, so consider x square equal to t, dx equal to dt by 2 root over t. So just put the value here. After that this half comes here and t to the power minus half into e to the power minus t. Just put this formula, that means gamma n. So gamma half, because minus half plus 1 equal to half. So this half comes here into gamma half equal to root pi by 2. I think you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.